I got the Italian Carcano M38. And why do I have this old piece of crap out? I mean, it's not a piece of crap. It's actually a good quality gun, nice solid gun. But the main flaw of this gun, and I think one of the big contributing factors to the performance of the Italians in World War II, is these clips. These have to be the worst, one of the worst inventions to make a rifle function, in my humble opinion. And if you don't know anything about these are kind of called push-through clips. And the reason being is, if you could see down in here, I don't know if you could see it or not, but there is a little arm. And when you push this in, that arm almost acts like the spring and follower of a magazine. And it pushes the rounds up so you can cycle another round in the chamber once you kick it out. The problem with these is they're notoriously unreliable. They get messed up in here. They don't fall out properly like they're supposed to, because once they're done, the clip is actually supposed to, when it's empty, it's supposed to fall right out the bottom. That doesn't happen. And a lot of times, for whatever reason, the next round doesn't get pushed up. So I would love to shoot this. This is a fun gun to shoot and a great caliber. Hard to find, but once you do find the ammo, it's fun to shoot. So what I did was, I'm like, there has to be another option. I researched a lot. I was like, what if I were to change this thing into like a real magazine fed? There's really nothing out there for that. And I did some research, and I came across something that I found a little interesting, and it's the same concept as those clips, but maybe a better solution than those metal clips. They make two different versions. They have a brass version and they have a steel version. The brass ones that are aftermarket, they're not original, from what I understand. They work better than the original steel ones, at least in my experience. But the other day, when I was searching for solutions to these clips, I came across this. So I bought these little clips here that are made out of, there's some sort of plastic, and they're 3D printed, and you can see why they're 3D printed. You got those notorious lines. So I'm gonna test these out and see how they run. I'm hoping they run a lot better. We're not gonna see what I hit and how I hit. That's not the purpose of the video. I really wanna see if these work. I really hope they do. Let's get set up, and we will get eyes and ears on, and we'll take some shots. We'll run one clip, then we'll transition over and I'll show you how frustrating the metal clips are, and then we'll go back and do another one of these, because I got two of these plastic clips. So very cool. And I got soft point here. I don't really have that many choices when it comes to this gun. So, all right. Damn, that hurts. Plus it's cold out. So yeah, see how that went in? It looks okay. Let me put my ear in and see how it cycles. Okay, it went in. All right. Let's take the first shot with this thing and see how it goes. Okay. Wow, it cycles pretty good. Nice. Okay. So the only downside, I mean, it's good. I'm not complaining. It cycled, but the clip didn't fall out. You have to push it, which honestly, that's a fair trade-off to me. Let's run and show you how this works. So, same concept. Damn, that hurts. Watch, now it's gonna run just fine. Now that I said something, that's how it always is. All right, here we go. So that ran okay. But like I said, I didn't bring out any of the steel clips. And you did see I had some issues with that. Not crazy issues, but I did have some. It was getting jammed up in there. Wasn't as smooth as these plastic clips. These are pretty nice, actually. It's very smooth. I wonder how they'll run in my other one. I'm shooting too high, and I'm aiming low. Much smoother. But again, you got to push it out the bottom. Yeah, these are rough. I just could not see taking this into battle, especially this being a Cavalry Carbine model, which is just ridiculous. But anyway, yeah, look them up online. I'm not going to tell you where to get them, but just look for Carcano plastic or alternative clips, and you'll probably find these. I can't unfortunately give a shout out to the company who makes them, but I'm very happy that these are smooth and makes this gun a lot easier to shoot. Trust me, just because I had one good experience with these and it actually seemed like it worked, trust me, the next one of these I would have done would have failed miserably. It would have gotten all janky and caught in there. The rounds would have tipped up wrong, and then I would have hit it in and would have screwed up the round. That's what you experience, and it's even worse again with the steel clips, which are supposed to be the originals. Thank you for watching another episode of Shootin' Shit TV. I am Adam, your host. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe, biatch.